Ed's Shed and the Red Sled. Ed got out of bed and went to the shed. The shed where the chicks are bred to shred paper to use for their beds. Then Ed fed the chicks in the shed, but saw a red sled as it sped toward the shed. When Ed saw the sled heading for the shed, Ed led the chicks and fled from the shed. Just as the sled crashed into the shed, the man on the sled pled for help as he bled. Ed led a medic to the man on the sled. Now, Ed had no shed and no paper to shred. So Ed and the chicks went back to bed.